Okay, definitely some people say, suppose I don't need it because I have a calculator, everybody is having smartphone, they will put it, but people need these children, they need this one, because see, when we are giving this one, some people ask me what is the use. Now by giving this, what happen when you know two methods, suppose I make a mistake here, I know conventional method, I can cross check it, suppose that method is right, you can cross check it. So definitely you get the correct answer. Usually human being we may make mistake. So if you should know two methods. So this is the easy method. In advanced stage you will be able to know what is the benefit of this. Okay. Now another let us take one more example. Somebody asked me, sir, if it is 2 digit into 3 digit, what to do? It is very simple, same formula we will use it. So here 2 digit is 38, 3 digit is 947. So what we are putting, instead of 38 we are making a 0. So this is become 3 digit now. So now again same step, extreme this 0 into 9, 0. Okay. Then next step is 4 into 0, 0, 9 into 3, 27. Understood? Now again third step, 0 into 7, 0, 9 into 8, 72, 4 into 3, 12. Another. Next step is this 2, 3 into 7, 21, 4 into 8, 32. Then extreme right, 8 9 8 7 56. Understood now? Again now carrying it. See, balancing is very very important. Other day I told you in the episode 5, balancing is must. If you know the balancing, you will be able to get the right answer. So balancing you must practice, and how to do additions, subtractions, multiplications, divisions, later on I will be able to teach. I cannot teach everything now, because when we go for buffet, you know, so many dishes are 60 dishes, you cannot eat anything. In house one curry you will eat satisfaction. So one by one I will teach now. So I will teach you how to do addition also, that easy methods I will teach now. Now let us take this step. So this is 6, okay. That 10th digit is there, we are carrying it, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. Understood now? Again now nothing carrying is there, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 I am carrying here, 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. So I am putting 9. Again next step is 10th digit, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 7, 15, 1 I am carrying, 2 plus 1, here 0 is there, 3. So 35,986. So 2 digit into 3 digit also you can do it by putting a 0 using this formula. This is called vertical and crossways. This is in our Vedic maths, it is there. Now one more example I will tell you. Suppose it is a 867 into 43. To understand now again what you have to do, the first step is extreme left. So 8 zeros are 0. Okay. Now again 4, 6 into 0, 0, 0. 8 4s are 32. Next step is extreme corner numbers and middle number. 8 into 3, 24, 0 into 7, 0, 6 into 4, 24. Then again next step is 6 into 8, 18, 7 4 is 28, 7 3 is 21. Understood now? Again now balancing. On balancing you will get the answer. So balancing I told you in the cycle also, suppose you are while the walking also, if you are losing a balance you will fall down. Understood now? So balancing is required. In the cycle also, in maths also balancing is required. So here balancing, how you are doing it now, you are carrying the 1 as it is, this 10th digit whatever is there, we are carrying to this number, 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 1 is there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 I am carrying here, 4 plus 8, 8 plus 4, 12, I am putting 2 here, carrying 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, I am carrying again 7. Again here 10 digit is there, 3 I am carrying here, there is nothing is there, so 3. So 37,281. So what we are doing it, any 3 digit into 2 digit, 2 digit into 3 digit, 3 digit into 3 digit, with one step you can make it. You will say, sir, this is because instead of making 4 steps, you are making in 2 steps the answer. Okay. Now how you say no, now I will tell you how you will be able to do it mentally. So when you go in longer run, after when you become practicing, when you become perfect after practicing it, now 132 into 213, what I have to do? I have to multiply with 3, I have to multiply with 1, I have to multiply with 2. So these 3 steps I cannot make it. By seeing itself I can make now, because what I mean 2 1 just 2, I putting 0 2. This I am doing it in mind, okay. For our understanding purpose I written here. So 2 1 just 2, okay. 2 3 just 6 plus 1 7, okay. Now here I am putting 0 7 means 1 6. Again here 0 3, 0 2 2 just 4, 1 3 just 3, understood now. Then 3 3 just 9, 1 1 2 just 2 0 2, and 2 3 just 6, understood now. So this I am putting now, the 6 I am carrying it, okay. The 6 I am carrying it here, and 9 2 1 11, 1 I am carrying, 1 4 8, 8 plus 3 1 11, 1 carrying, 1 again 2 2 plus 8 8, then again this is nothing, this thing I am carrying here 28,116, 28,116. So this step you can do it in mind itself. So this is the way you can practice. After practicing, you know, because I request all the people, only merely seeing and enjoying will not work out, because for the students it is very very important. So I request all of you, kindly, for your children you give 3 4 examples daily, 3 4, let them do it in the time based. Who will do fast? You have 2 children, you teach them, you spend half an hour, 1 hour. When you teach them, who will do fast, they will say. So they should have fastness also, speed also, accuracy also. So here they will see, they will cross check it. The moment they will become fun for them, they started enjoying the maths. So even the simple methods in the higher, when they go for higher, no, this will be very very amazing. What happened now, when they do this one, they can follow the fellow students will clap for them. It will give self confidence for them, it will encourage, and in turn they will get success. Thank you very much. Any doubts, any regarding this one, kindly comment, put your comment, and if you like it, kindly put like, so that it will be encouragement for others also. And if suppose anybody is having any doubt, you can see our previous episode links, all the links whatever is there with the Vedic maths, whoever is missing now, we will be putting in the description. You can see whatever the episode 1 2 7 8 9, whatever this one, almost next 10 episodes we will be teaching many methods. So please follow us. Thank you very much.
మరిన్ని లేటెస్ట్ అప్డేట్స్ కోసం సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.